All righty. Hello, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Miss Jen here, and we're going to talk about volcanoes. The reason why we started this volcano idea was that back on May 18th, it was the 40th anniversary of Mount St. Helens erupting. It was a pretty big deal. That was back in 1980, and it was a pretty big deal. And it caused a lot of damage. And one of the reasons why, I'll go through it fairly quickly, one of the reasons why a volcano erupts is sometimes there are earthquakes underneath the volcano, and they rumble around and they build up all this pressure, and then it explodes. So I just want to show you a quick picture of what Mount St. Helens looked like before it exploded and what it looked like after. This is what it looked like after. See how it kind of, well, the top blew off. The top blew off the volcano. I'll show you a picture of the
Oh no! Right?
This is the volcano exploding. See all that ash and dust that came out? That went up into the sky and blew all over. Mount St. Helens is located in Washington State, which is on the other side of the country. It blew all over to the rest of some of the states on that side of the country. And also, when a volcano erupts, all this hot lava comes out of the volcano. And it goes down the sides and it goes everywhere. And it causes a lot of damage. So that was Mount St. Helens, what happened with Mount St. Helens. So without further ado, we are going to erupt our own volcanoes, okay? So is everybody ready? You have your cup? All right, I'm putting my camera down. So here's my cup. Here's my pretend volcano. The first thing that we are going to add to our cup is 2/3 cup of water. So here's my measuring cup.
That's why we get this.
2/3 mine. So we're going to add that to our cup here. So pour it on in. Pour it on in.
So pour it in your cup.
Okay, so we have the water in there. So now we are going to add 4 tablespoons. Here's my tablespoon of baking soda. Can you get me a spoon, a plastic spoon?
Baking soda.
So here's 1. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. Ooh, okay.
I have to get the baking soda.
4 tablespoons of baking soda. I'm just going to mix it around.
All right, we're a little behind. Can you give us 1 second?
I'm just going to mix it around a little bit. Now, we are going to add 1 teaspoon. Here's my 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Here's my dish soap.
All right, I can do that.
They'll be all over the floor.
Now we're going to add our dish soap in. Up, there we go. I'm swishing it around with my dish soap.
Daddy?
Wait, you do the dish soap.
I'm swishing it around my cup.
Spoon. Hey, let her do
really
it.
going fast.
Yeah.
But I guess you're not.
Okay. So the next thing we need to decide is which color you would like to make your lava. I have some food coloring here. So I have a choice of blue, red, or green. How about we do some blue? Blue looks cool. So then now I'm going to add some blue food coloring. All right. I'm going to mix it up a little bit with my other spoon here. Okay. How's everybody doing? Are we good? Are we doing good? Okay, now here's the big part. Here we go. We are going to add, here's my vinegar. We are going to add 1 cup onto, in our measuring cup here. 1 cup is right there. So we're going to measure out 1 cup of vinegar. All right, this is going to be a big explosion. Okay, so we have our water, we have our baking soda, we have our dish soap, our color. So now we're going to add our vinegar. Get ready. Here we go. Here we go. Wow, look at that.
Hey, that scared Mommy.
I didn't know that much was gonna go.
Oh, wow. Cool is that?
Oh, cool.
I want to do it
What
again.
do you think? What do you think about your exploding volcano?
I want to do it again.
Okay, we're gonna do one more time, all right? We'll try a different color. So
She said.
I'm gonna take my cup out. Actually, if you wanted to, you could even add more vinegar and it would explode even more. But I'm going to take my cup out. I'm going to put in a different cup. Here we go. All right. So the first thing that we add, all right, here we go. The first thing that we add for our second volcano is our water, 2/3 cup of water.
Are we going to make lots of volcanoes?
Okay.
I can give you.
Then we are going to add, here we go, here's our tablespoon again.
I want to make another one.
I'm only going to add 3 tablespoons of baking soda this time around. 1,
Make another one.
2,
I need water, what?
okay. So that's 3 tablespoons of baking soda. So we'll see if that makes a difference.
Spoons of baking soda.
The next thing that we're going to add is 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Here we go. There's soap.
Or she's just going through it again quickly.
All right.
Guys, I want to do another one.
We're going to mix it all together with our spoon here.
Okay.
Mixing, mixing.
Wait.
Let's try red this time. Let's try red favorite.
I want to do red.
1, 2, 3. We'll add a few drops of red in there.
How? And that's how it goes. What?
How are we doing?
Always.
Straight
All
up.
right. So now we're ready to pour our 1 cup of vinegar.
Come on.
So here's your vinegar. And you're going to measure it to 1 cup.
Wait for her to do it. You gotta wait.
All right. Are you ready? All right, here we go. We're going to our vinegar and we're going to see what happens. Here we go.
Go.
Woo!
Pretty
All
cool.
right, we have a red volcano this time around.
How you to fill up?
No.
Awesome.
It was so fun.
It is fun. It's lots of fun. Absolutely. All right. How did everybody else do? Emma, I said you did a fantastic job on your volcano. La la, nice and explosive. All right. It looks like Sean and his friends over there, they exploded out on the grass. All right. Fantastic. Awesome job, everybody. And this is just a fun, easy activity to do all day long if you want. So, fantastic. So we learned a little science. Helens. We learned some history about Mount St. Helens. And we had fun. So this is great. All right. Well, that's about it for me. Thank you for coming to erupt some volcanoes with me. And I will see you tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. It's Hug Your Cat Day. All right. So I will see you for story time. So I'll see you soon. Thanks for coming.
Bye. Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too.
Bye.